Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disallow others from tagging you on LinkedIn. This is a really useful privacy setting if you want to control when and where your name appears in other people's posts or updates. To get started, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings. Now, once you're logged in and you see your LinkedIn homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there, the small circular image that represents your account. Click on that profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all the important configuration options for your account live. After clicking that, LinkedIn will take you to the settings page. Give it a moment to load completely. On the left side of this page, you'll notice several categories listed vertically. What you're looking for is the option labeled Visibility. Go ahead and click on that. This section controls how visible your activity and profile are to others on the platform. Inside the visibility section, you'll see multiple options related to how your LinkedIn activity is displayed. Scroll down a bit until you find the section called Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This is the key area where you can manage things like who sees your posts, connections, and yes, mentions and tags. Within that section, locate and click on Mentions or Tags. This specific setting determines whether other LinkedIn users can tag or mention you in their content. It's a straightforward toggle, but it's tucked away in these settings, so it's easy to miss if you don't know where to look. Once you click on Mentions or Tags, you'll see a toggle button right beside the text Allow Mentions. This toggle controls the entire feature. If it's currently turned on, that means people can freely tag you in their posts and updates. To disable this, simply click the toggle button to turn it off. You'll see it switch from one state to another, usually changing color or position to indicate the change. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the ability for others to tag or mention you on LinkedIn. This means your name won't appear in posts unless you manually engage with them yourself. It's a simple but effective way to manage your presence on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.